Last video, we were looking at conservative crypto gaming coins. This video, we're looking at one that could possibly 100x. Welcome back to the APY Guy channel. If you like passive income and you like coins that could possibly do 100x in a bull market, then you're going to love this channel. So make sure you subscribe to it and drop a like on this video. I greatly appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Last video, I promised we'd get into some really low market cap crypto gaming coins, and I'm going to make sure that I do. So this one here, I haven't heard talked about very much, and I think this has huge potential. Again, it's going to be very risky because the market cap is super low, but the coin is MORRA Gaming. If we go to MORRA Games, they do have a really nice website, and they have a lot of really good partners, in my opinion. Right now, the market cap is fully diluted at $6.351 million. Their circulating supply, the best I could find out is around 300 to 350,000. So the actual market cap is going to be much lower than the 6.351 million. This coin could fly. If you want to compare it to something like MORRA, MORRA is at a $83 million market cap. So that's about, what is that, a 20x from where MORRA is. So well, let's look at the partners. There's quite a few partners that I'm impressed with on their website here. Let's take a look. It says empowering digital ownership. Moa Games' decentralized ecosystem places a premium on authentic digital ownership. Through blockchain technology, we provide creators, collectors, and gamers with transparent and secure ownership of digital assets. If we come down here to the bottom, I want to show you the partners. They have quite a few games that are coming out soon. They have a docs team down here. They're showing all the creators here. Some of the projects that I'm really bullish on, they're partners with. GameSwift I really like. Polygon, MORRA. MORRA has recently been endorsed. I think Alex Becker is going to partner with that project, and Chainlink. So lots of good partners in this project. Let's take a deeper look here. It says diverse worlds, one ecosystem, MORRA Games Unleashed. MORRA Games ecosystem is dynamic and multifaceted landscape of entertainment. Comprises several distinct segments, each offering a unique and immersive experience to users. Gaming. Immerse yourself in the world of gaming, from epic adventures to competitive play. MORRAverse. Step into augmented realities where the digital and physical worlds converge. Comics, journey into captivating stories and interactive storytelling brought to life through comics and esports. This is only available on Uniswap currently. It's not available on any exchanges that I know of. I've been kind of in the Discord trying to get information. This is going to be very, very high risk. So just be careful with this. Let's see if I can get this video to play here. This is an example of one of the games, I believe. Get through this commercial and see. There we go. MORRA Studio. The studio's YouTube channel only has 1.46 thousand subscribers. I'll subscribe to it right now. Gameplay looks pretty good. This is very early. We'd be very early in this. There is no staking that I know of yet. I asked in the Discord, and there is no staking, or there is are no nodes available yet. The positives I see are they're partnered with MORRA, Polygon, and some of the bigger names. GameSwift I'm really high on as well. So doing my best to research this. You need to do your own research as well. It is on Uniswap, so if you come down here, I believe there's a link to buy the token on Uniswap. Yeah, right here, listed on Uniswap for trading. If you click on that, it'll take you right to the Uniswap site. I usually will make sure and go to CoinGecko and add the token as well. If we take a look at the incentives of holding the token and utility, it says transaction currency, MORRA acts as a primary means of exchange within the Moa Games platform, allowing users to make transactions for various services and content. It's also governance influence. Token holders can participate in governance decisions, contributing to the direction and development of the MORRA Games platform. Incentive mechanism. MORRA token is used to reward and incentivize active community members, content creators, and gamers, encouraging engagement and payment. Users can utilize MORRA tokens for swift and economical transactions, making it easy to engage with various aspects of the MORRA Games ecosystem. And there's a bunch of other stuff the maximum supply is capped at 500 million tokens, which is a small amount, which is a good amount in my opinion. MORRA token has a unique approach. No sales, no lockup, and no VCs. Everyone can start trading MORRA token. At the launch tax system to fuel our project's development, we're introducing a buy and sell tax system. This system will help generate revenue for Moa Games growth, development, and marketing. So, what is the token? MORRA token is the native utility token of Moa Games ecosystem, designed to facilitate various transactions and governance within the platform. So, like I said, there's no signs of staking yet. I keep asking in the Discord. I'll keep you updated on this. Again, I'm trying to get you guys into some very early crypto gaming projects and just very early crypto projects in general. If you like this content, please leave a like or, leave a comment saying that you do like this. If you like my other low market cap gems better than the gaming ones, leave me a comment saying that as well. I think this has some very good partners. I think it could do well in a bull market. If we look at the chart right now, it's at point. Actually, I bought a little bit. It's at 0.0128 cents. I actually bought a little higher. I think I was at 0.014 cents. It's only on Uniswap. It's only on Ethereum currently. So if you want to buy some, you would have to go to Uniswap, swap there. If there's any gaming or any crypto projects that I'm missing out on, low cap gems or gaming projects, please leave them in the comments. I'm trying to be early on this stuff to get you the best information possible. So make sure you like, subscribe. I appreciate it a lot. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.